Today we're going to look at how to protect sheets and cells. First of all, what does protecting a sheet or a cell do? It prevents other people from editing it. So if you want to protect the entire sheet, you can go to the tab at the bottom, right-click, and go to Protect Sheet. It'll then bring up a little dialog box on the right. You can set it so that the entire sheet is protected or only a certain range. And when you click Set Permissions, you have two options. So one, you can restrict who can edit this range. So if I click Done right now, I am the only one who can edit this sheet, even if I share the document with other people. You can also add other people as editors, just like you do when you share a Google Doc or Google Sheets. The other option is to click Show a warning when editing this range. Let me show you what this does. So if I try to edit something, it gives me this warning. Hey, you're trying to edit something that shouldn't be edited. Are you sure you want to do this? I can still edit it. So can anyone else who has editing rights to the document, but it does warn me, hey, not sure if you actually want to do this. Let me delete this one. All right. The other option is to protect certain parts of the sheet. So on this one, I have some roller coasters. At the bottom, I did calculate average, min, median, and max for these three measurements: top speed, max height, and max drop. If I just want to make sure that nobody messes with these formulas, I have the same options. If I go to Data, Protect Sheets and Ranges, now I am only protecting these highlighted cells, and I have the exact same options that I just had. I can set who can edit this range, or I can show a warning. One of the issues with setting editing restrictions is that if somebody makes a copy of the document, then they can edit it. So if you're trying to force people to make a copy of a data set, then that doesn't hold over when they copy the sheet. If you choose Show a Warning, that does continue to have that warning if someone makes a copy of the document. So that can sometimes be beneficial.